Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. And in our last class, what we have discussed in our last class, I said what is that? What are the things? Variable constants, and based on that, we did some problems also. Am I right? So today I'm going to solve in the new method. Okay, that's also slide only, but in the new method I'm going to teach you. So just see that and how it will be there. So just put in the command. Okay, so thank you. So just wait. Okay, students, we are going to see that the chapter name is called what is that chapter name? So the chapter name here I'll write algebra. Okay, so algebra. So in our last class, what are the things we have discussed? So simply we did some problems, right? For example, we have seen that what is mean by constant, right? Am I right? What is mean by constant and what is mean by variable? Okay, so variables, these are the things we have seen that in our last class. So constant means a number like 1, 2, 3, so 4 and so on. Okay, and variable means we can say here we can say x, y, z, p, q, r, s. Okay, say, and one more thing, this constant value will not change. Okay, so the constant will not change. That means it will be the static value. Okay, if the number 1 means number 1, number 2 means number 2 only. So but the variable, what is mean by that variable? So the variable can change. It is not a constant, so it can change. Okay, so we can represent the variable in terms of x, y, z, p, q, r, s. Okay, these are the things we have so far discussed. Okay, so anyway, in the today's chapter we are going to see that expression. So the concept of the today's topic is expression. Okay, so expression, what is mean by expression? Okay, so before basically you know that what is mean by that operators. Okay, so you have to know that what is mean by operators. So operators means, for example, addition. Okay, so addition, one operator, so we have to mention it as plus. Okay, and subtraction, so subtraction we have to mention it as, see here, subtraction, minus, and multiplication. Okay, so multiplication, what's called, we have to put into. Okay, right, multiplication and division. So these are the basic operators. Okay, so division means, sorry, what's called division, so that is called divide. Okay, that's called divide. Okay, so this symbol, so these are the various symbols we can use. Okay, for example, addition means we can add the number, and subtract, and multiplication and division and so on. Okay, so these are the basic operator. Sir, by using this operator, what are the operation we can do? Okay, so the expression, okay, just a minute, so what is that? The expression can be split as, see here, the expression can be split as, first one here, without variables. So without variable we can form that expression. Okay, without variable and with variable. Okay, with variable we can form the expression. Okay, so just a minute, I put that yes. So these are the basic concept. Without variable, how can we form the expression, and with variable, how can we form the expression? So expression is nothing but we can add, we can subtract, we can divide, and we can multiply by using that operator symbol. Okay, so that is called the expression. It's a combination of number and operators, or with number, that means without variable, that means without variable means number only, right? So number only we can form the expression, and without number also we can form the expression. But anyway, in the both case we can include that operation. expression, okay, that means operator. By using that operators, so we can decide whether it is a without variable expression or with variable expression. Okay, so first thing we are going to see that without variable expression. Okay, so first one, so without variable, so without variable expression. Okay, so without variable expression, how can we see the without variable expression? For example, here I will write number 2 plus number 3, which is equal to 5. Okay, so here you know that 2 also number and 3 also number and 5 also number. And what about this plus and what about this one? So these are that operators. Okay, so here this is called plus, that means addition symbol is equal to, so 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5, which means so that expression includes that number. Okay, so number and what is that, operators. So what are that operators? So addition, subtraction, multiplication, what's called operation symbols. Okay, that's called operators. What is that? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and these are that some operators. So including this one, so we can write various kind of expression. For example, if I include a 3 number, for example 2 into, so 3 plus 5. So 2 into 3 plus 5 I can evaluate, right? So for example 2 into 3 plus 5 means 3 plus 5, what's the value? 8. So 2 into 8, 16. Okay, so this kind of also I can solve. Otherwise I can solve, first we can take 2 and multiple this one 3 and take 2 multiple this one 5. For example, see here 2 into 3 plus 5, we can write in terms of 2 into 3. First one 2 multiplied by 3 and plus symbol here, no, so plus symbol you have to write 2 into 5. So 2 into 5. Okay, so that means 2 into 3, what's the value? 6. And 2 into 5, what's the value? 10. So 6 plus 10, what's the value? 16, right? So here also 16, same answer came, no? So this is called last class I said about the different properties, right? Distributive, the multiplication, distributive over addition, distributive property, commutative property. So these are the properties I said. So here we get the solution, right? Because here we are considering only the numbers, so numbers and the operator symbol. Okay, so this is called without variable expression. So the expression must contain number and operators. Okay, so that is called without variable expression. So now we are going to see that with variable expression. Okay, so with variable expression, with variable expression. Okay, so before that you have to know, students, so what is mean by variable? Okay, so what is mean by variable? Variable means it should not change and it can be represent as the letters. Okay, so with the variable expression means, for example, see here, so 2 plus x. So what is the value? So 2 plus x. So here we cannot say any value, right? 2 plus x means they didn't mention the value of x. Okay, so we can write 2 plus x means 2 plus x only. Okay, so we cannot write, for example, here 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 means what is the value? This is 4. So easily we can write the answer, because here also number, there also number. So 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4. But what about that 2 plus x? So 2 plus x means 2 is that constant and x is the variable, and here one operator symbol is there. So with variable expression means, so there must be some variable and there must be some operation. It may be addition, it may be a subtraction, it may be a multiplication, or it may be a division. Okay, so 2 plus x. So this is called one kind of expression with variable. So you can write a lot of some other example. For example, 2 minus x. Okay, 2 minus x also, it is that variable, right? It contain variable, no, it contain number, it contain operator symbol, it contain variable, and we can write 2 into x. So 2 into x, how can you write 2x? Okay, so 2x can be written as 2 into x. Okay, so both also same only, no? So 2 divided by x means 2 by x. Okay, otherwise we can write what's called 2 divided by x. Okay, so these are that examples I said here, what is called with variable. Okay, so with variable expression. Okay, so the expression must contain variable and number and operators. Okay, so for example, and one more thing, for see For example, if a person A and B, okay, so one person here, A person and A person and one more person B, I name it as B. Okay, so first the A person having some amount of money, he don't know how much amount, so I kept X. Okay, but he gave 10 rupees, he gave 10 rupees to that person B. Okay, so 10 rupees, the B person got money from A, so 10 rupees he got. Now what amount A is having now? Okay, for example, I said A is having some amount of money. For example, I will take here A is having 50 rupees money. If we give 10 rupees to B person, mean the person B means how much amount A has A having. Okay, so that means already 50 is having 10 rupees given, so 40 amount, so remaining 40 will be there, right? So if they gave number, it will be very easy. Now I said that this A person, he is not he don't know that how much total amount he is having. So the total amount he don't know, so that unknown value I kept as X. Okay, but he gave some amount to that B, so that amount is 10 rupees. So in that case, so we can take what is the total amount actually A is having X. 10 rupees given means, so 10 rupees it will be subtract. So what is the current amount having by the person A means, so X minus 10, because already 10 they gave, no, so we have to subtract from the total amount, so X minus 10. Okay, so this kind of expression only we can form in the real life situations. Okay, okay, shall we see in your book what are the examples given in your book? Okay, so just a minute. Yes, okay, so first one in that what is that? Yes, so here, see here, look at the following example. Give expression for the following. 12 is subtracted from Z. Okay, so what is the question? I'll take 12 is subtracted from Z. Okay, so 12 is subtracted from Z means, first you have to know that what is that, either they gave full number or variable or constant and variable. Here 12 is that number, that means 12 is the constant, but what about is Z? Z is the variable, so Z is that variable. Okay, so Z is the variable, and 12 is that, what is the 12? 12 is that constant. Okay, so 12 is constant. Now you can say this expression is without variable or with variable expression. So this expression can be called as with variable expression. Okay, so now the question is what? 12 is subtracted from from Z. So from Z means what is your number? From Z only you have to subtract. So first you have to put the symbol that is called the variable, you have to put, and subtracted. So subtracted means we have to put minus and 12. So Z minus 12. So Z minus 12 is that answer. Okay, see here, Z minus 12. Okay, so and 25 added to R. Okay, see here, so 25 added to R. So 25 added to R. So 25 added to R means, how can we write? So for example 25. So 25 is the constant, added. So added means we have to put plus, and to R. So to R is that variable. Okay, so we have to put 25 plus R. So 25 plus R we can write as R plus 25. Okay, so this is the answer, R plus 25. Okay, so you see that R plus 25. This kind of expression we will solve. Okay, see, look at that example. Sarita and Amina decide to play a game of expression. They take a variable X and the number 3. See how many expression they can make. Okay, so see here what's called Sarita and Amina. Okay, okay, Sarita and Amina. So Sarita and Amina, So they have taken, Sarita take one variable, Amina take one number. Okay, 3 I have taken here for example. So what are the possible expression can be formed? How many expression can be formed? So first you have to know that x3. So first we can use in between that plus symbol we can use, no? So x plus 3, so x and 3, x plus 3. Next we can use minus. Okay, so we can write x minus 3 or x minus 3 and x minus 3 and 3 minus x also. So x minus 3 and 3 minus x is different. Okay, and any other way, so x into 3, if you multiply means x into, if you multiply x into 3 means, so we will get 3x. Okay, if you divide x divided by 3, x divided by 3 means x by 3, and if you divide 3 divided by x means 3 by x. So this kind of various operations we can use, so we can form a various expression also. Can you understand, students? Okay, in the next slide we will solve some examples. Until you have to wait. Okay students, we will see that what's called exercise 11.3. okay, so it's in exercise 11.3. First question, okay, make up as many expression with numbers, that means no variable, as you can from 3 numbers 5, 7, 8. Every number should be used not more than once. So not more than once, you have to notice that. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, so what are the numbers they given? So the numbers given is, so just a minute, exercise